So yun guys, no, explain lang natin yung mga trade natin for today. So ito, papakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung ba't tayo nag-sell dito sa area nito around 11 p.m. kanina, no, kakatapos lang ng Asia session. So as you guys can see, meron ditong 5 minutes market shift structure. Okay, meron 5 minutes market shift structure, and then may fair value gap sa lower time frame. Kaya yun dyan guys nag-react kasi itong area to, this is a higher time frame for value gap. I think that's 1 hour for value gap. No, that's 30 minutes. Yeah, that's 30 minutes per value gap din, no? Kaya nag-react dyan yung price. That's why yung bias ko dito is I'm gonna look for selling entry position. So 15 minutes, baba tayo 15 minutes. Yan, mga previous candle is bearish din, no? Lalo itong ginawang previous candle before itong entry ko, which is napaka-healthy bearish candle. Then 5 minutes, no, market shape structure na sa 5 minutes. Hintay ko lang mag-pull back. That's why dyan ako nag-enter, kasi sa lower time frame meron na dyan na buong bearish per value gap. So entry ako doon ng sell. Pwede ko lagay dito stop loss ko. Pero just to keep it safe, no, dito ko na lang siya nilagay sa previous high. Then targeting yung unmitigated for value gap sa lower time frame, which is yung 3 minutes. So di ako nakapag-entry dito. Ginawa ko is hindi ko inabol yung price kasi delikado, no. So ginawa ko is naganap na ako re-entry for buying position, which is kung titingnan nyo dito guys, meron dito ang minark na market shift structure. Sinabi ko to sa live ko kanina, live trade ko kanina. Meron dyan market shift structure sa 15 minutes. So sinabihan ko yung community ko na kapag yung candle na to is mag-close above this week, then that's gonna be a market shift structure, sign of reversal. So then may na-form siya ditong 15 minutes per value gap, which is dun lang kami nag-entry for buying position sa half ng 15 minutes per value gap. Then yan, ang mga nakapag-TP na din kami, nakapag-take profit na rin kami sa buy, no? So ayan, area yan na yung possible TP namin, but most of my team and tao sa community is nag-profit na sila dyan. So right now wala na siguro naka-hold, but ayan, so that's good, around 1,000 pips yan may get. So this one is 500, then ito inabot na ng almost 600. So yeah, 1,100 plus pips. Yung live trading or trade natin for today.